Good morning, students. Welcome to civics class chapter power sharing. Last class we had discussed the ethnic composition of Belgium and Sri Lanka. In Belgium, we find the existence of regional differences and cultural diversities, and in Sri Lanka, this of various communities and diverse population, which signifies its complex ethnicity. How the two countries took two different paths for sustaining or for reacting, for accepting the demands of their diverse people basically. How they lived with democracy. Now, while discussing about Belgium, we saw that they came up with different paths or ways which is different from any other country and is very innovative ways. Let us the case of Belgium. The Belgian leaders recognize the existence of regional differences and cultural diversities. Between 1970 and 1993, they amended their constitution four times so as to work out an arrangement that would enable everyone to live together within the same country. The following measures were adopted by them. So features of Belgium constitution. So see the measures were adopted by them. Number one, equal number of ministers for both the groups. The Belgium constitution prescribes that the number of Dutch and French speaking ministers shall be equal in the central governments. Some special laws require the support of majority of members from each linguistic group. Thus, no single community can take decision unilaterally. Number two, more powers to state government. Many powers of the central government have been given to state governments of the two regions of the country. The state governments were not required to work as subordinate to the central government. Number three, equal representation at the state and the central level. A separate government was set up at Brussels in which both the communities have equal representation. Now, fourth one, formation of community government. Apart from the central and the state government, there is a third kind of government. This is community government. It is elected by the people belonging to one language community like Dutch, French, and German speaking, no matter where they live. This government has the power regarding cultural, educational, and language related issues. So basically, this is giving authority on the basis of language. Language is given importance over here, and it can take decision regarding the cultural, educational, and language related issues. Now, student, isn't it a wonderful experiment that was done in Belgium in order to recognize, in order to consider the diversity, the demands of these people, right? Because in either way, for example, if Dutch is addressed and not the French speaking, and if French is addressed and not the Dutch speaking, it is going to, arouse of problems. So we have come with a common solution for all the inhabitants, right? So I hope students you must have understood the accommodation policy of Belgium. Thank you and have a good day.